Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. My name is Khairina Rosli from Tunku Puteri Intan Safinan School of Accountancy, Universiti Utara Malaysia. So today I'm going to present to you a conceptual paper that is written by me and two other co-authors, which is Dr. Nazira Muhammad Said and also Dr. Azizi Abu Bakar. The title of our paper is Financial Literacy and Takaf Awareness of the B40 Single Mothers. Okay, for my presentation, first I will cover the introduction, followed by the problem statement, and then the conceptual framework, lastly, the conclusion. Okay, finance is crucial aspect of life, but a poorly managed, implemented of financial plan can lead to the financial mismanagement. According to Zhu et al. 2021, individual financial literacy is one of the important key of effective personal planning. Increasing financial knowledge can lead to careful planning and also financial management. So this is also important for decision related to insurance and takaful product, which are seen as a more complex financial instruments because the policy has a long-term contract and also includes many legal, insurance, and financial terms. Takaful is a Sharia compliance insurance that operates on the principles of mutual assistance, cooperation, and also shared responsibility among the participants. It gives a benefit where it provides safety to the individual who contributes to the Takaful fund and also the beneficiary, okay, against the unforeseen events such as accidents, illness, okay, or even death. So in the context of hibah takaful, for example, it allows participants to determine the beneficiaries who will receive takaful benefits upon the person's death. So it is very beneficial to the heirs when the breadwinner of the family dies. Okay, despite the importance and also the benefits of takaful and also the takaful growth industry in Malaysia, the awareness is still at a low level. Okay, and has caused the ownership rate of life insurance and takaful remains low in Malaysia. It is found that only one third of the population was insured as of 2017, and as of recently, okay, about 60% of the population did not have sufficient takaful and insurance coverage to be used if emergency happens. And also, Bank Negara reported that the elderly and also the B40 groups recorded much lower figure, which only 4%. So this current state of takaful awareness highlights a significant gap in financial knowledge and also the understanding of the importance of financial protections against an emergency. So for the problem statement, as we know that financial literacy is essential in making a wise financial decision, especially among the vulnerable groups, okay, such as the B40 single mothers, because this group, okay, these women, they face unique challenges as the breadwinner in the family in managing their finances due to limited educational and also social economic opportunities. The financial challenges faced by these B40 single mothers are worsened by a lower level of education, which contributes to poor financial literacy and also inadequate financial planning. Thus, takaful is seen as a crucial for them, okay, where they as the sole provider for their families, so that by having this investment, it will ensure that they and also their families are well protected. So the targeted financial education that emphasize on the importance of takaful and the essential to empower these B40 single mothers and also enhance their financial resilience is very important. So here I presented the conceptual framework on how financial literacy can directly influence the awareness and participation of takaful among B40 single mothers in Malaysia. So we focus on the financial literacy as Lim et al. 2020 highlight that high level of financial knowledge directly correlate with the increased awareness and adoption of insurance and takaful products. So this relationship suggests that by improving the financial literacy among the B40 single mothers, it will help to foster a better takaful ownership where the takaful can offer them a reliable option for financial protection. Okay, and the relationship between the financial literacy and also the takaful awareness can be seen from several aspects involving the financial knowledge, okay, financial attitudes, and also the behavior. So financial knowledge here means the understanding of the individual about the information regarding the financial products. For example, in this term is takaful, okay, about takaful concepts, opportunity, and also the risk it has. According to Abdul Qadir et al. 2021, financial literacy will help the individual to make financial decision, especially in understanding the value of risk management tools like takaful. Thus, it is seen that financial literacy plays an important role in empowering these B40 single mothers to understand and gain the benefits of the takaful products. Next, with the financial literacy, okay, it can help to educate them to develop a positive attitude and also behaviors towards finance and saving, such as to be wise in spending, okay, not to spend lavishly, always plan ahead, and also maintain a future saving. By focusing on educational initiative that improve the financial knowledge, we conclude that B40 single mothers can be empowered to make an informed decision regarding their financial situation. So it is anticipated that through increasing their financial literacy, okay, the knowledge first, it will enhance their takaf awareness and finally contributes to an improved financial resilience and also their well-being. So we believe that through enhanced awareness, it will lead to an increased participation in the tackle product among the B40 single mothers. Therefore, it is suggested that more targeted and organized financial education and also awareness initiative, such as structured workshops, okay, or public social media, okay, should be implemented so that these women will be aware and also knowledgeable about the Takaful products. In addition, with the financial education programs, this should be made and tailored to the needs of the community, to the needs of the B40 single mothers itself, okay, to improve their financial literacy. So with that, I thank you and also thank you to mom and dad for all the love that you give to us. Thank you.